So this is the Santuario Animal de Cochahuasi, and this is the famous Peruvian dog. Originally from northern Peru, and that's why it's hairless, because it's hotter than hell up in the Piura area. And indigenous deer.
Andean white-tailed deer.
And these beautiful parrots. And the function of the sanctuary is as a sanctuary in order to save the wildlife here, because there are black markets for these. You should not have one of these in your home in the United States or Europe. They belong here.
Look at in bad condition. It's coming.
Oh yeah.
1 week ago.
Wow. So please support this facility because it's important. This is a puma, and this is not a zoo. This is a rehabilitation center for animals. These are Andean condors. There are only 500 left in the wild. And this is the largest bird in the world. Yeah. Yeah, that'd be good.
And it's possible
Absolutely amazing.
the neck,
Uh-huh.
270 degrees, turn around the condor.
Ah.
270, yeah?
Uh-huh.
But maybe you know the owl is 380 degrees.
Right.
Crazy. That is 270. Look at, I say, it's as a big chicken food, the talons. They can't grab nothing because scavengers. They nothing. But sometimes the condors in the natural life, they living with deer, with llamas and alpacas, right? When it's born the baby alpacas, baby llamas, the condor will be killed with the small babies, because the babies, they can't stand up. For this reason, it's the opportunity to get out the eye or another part of the body.
Yeah.
Ven acá, mamacita. Ya está, súbete. Ya está. A ver, sube. Ven. Ven.
What does that mean?
Sube, ven. Sometimes he can make it. Here.
I'll start here. I'll start here and walk up there.
Okay.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Go for it.
These are Andean condors. The Andean condor is the largest bird in the world. Wingspan more than 3 meters. There are only 500 of these left because farmers shoot them. The reason they shoot them is that they think that these birds go after livestock, which they don't do. They are carrion feeders. They go after dead things. Or they're also killed for their feathers, because each feather on the black market is worth $100. So any of you people who are so-called spiritual, make sure if you get a condor feather that you get it from a bird that naturally died. Because if you're using one that has been taken from a bird that was killed, that feather will be of zero use to you, because that is defaming nature. Good.
There we go.
It's amazing, eh?